That's beautiful. But I had to readjust the belt. That's my Cadillac CTS. It was a V6, now it's a LS1. Anyway, as far as the Genesis wiring, we might have to get rid of this alternator since I think there's no signal. I'm about to plug the battery in the car and then wire this thing up and see if there's a battery light. My bad. It's way too early in the morning, I guess. Anyway, so yeah, if not, then I can get rid of all those wires. I don't need them. But as far as the reluctant wheel, or yeah, the reluctant wheel. So I'm gonna make a separate video on this thing because I think it has potential. But this is the 58-2 reluctant wheel. You can find them on eBay, I believe Amazon as well. And also this is a 7.25 inches diameter, so which is perfect for well, we're running the ATI super damper for a Camaro style engine. So with that being said, I located these 3 holes that for the bolts for the damper, and this is just gonna be a test. Like I said, I haven't found any videos about this specific mod, and this is only to get the RPM, the tachometer, working on the Genesis. So because the Genesis uses the trigger wheel right here, and it's the same system as it was of my Mazda RX-8, and it's the same system as the Mazda Miata. All right, moving on. So yes, we got the Siki power steering for the Genesis. So what you got to do is you have to get rid of all these things, reservoir, all these lines out of the way, and this goes to the rack, to the steering column, and this is the pressure, and this is your return. So once the pressure goes down there, down here, and Siki gives you this fit-in, and you have to unhook the hose for the return. So that's your pressure, that's your return, and so that's done and over with the power steering lines. As far as what you need for to be able to work the power steering pump. So I'm using the Camaro style power steering pump, so you can see the line. This is another fitting that Siki provides in the kit, and it comes with the line as well. So power steering line, guys, it's really simple. You gotta install this fitting, and then your line, and that goes to that's your pressure line, that goes to that other fitting that is on the car, and then this will be your return, I think. Yeah, that will be the return. So yeah, that's all of it. You can see we're using the ICT bracket as well. I had to drill this hole to use the LS1 alternator, or the Camaro alternator. I had to drill this hole. That's the hole you got to drill to use the ICT bracket. And you know, if you're using the Camaro alternator, it got this extra support, so you can use the bracket that is provided by ICT as well, so give you extra strength. This engine is pretty much ready to go in. We're waiting on the transmission, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the headers as far as the turbo setup. But I wanted to show you guys, I'm gonna make a specific video for this thing. It'll probably be, you know, Genesis LS Swap trigger wheel. But I'll mention it here on this video. And also like I said, the wiring is done. As far as, you know, I'm gonna keep that block, that fuse block, and then running on, that goes to the ECU, the stock ECU. And the only thing that we're gonna use is just a few grounds, temperature sensor, definitely the trigger, and the what's it called, brake booster sensor, I think that is. Other than that, I believe we are ready to go in with this. I'm gonna remove this motor mounts, and so therefore I think that'll close my video for this session. If you have any questions, let me know. Please subscribe, support the channel. I'm trying to make videos, as much videos as I can. Oh yeah, and also we're deleting the clutch line, which I gotta remove all that clutch line. This is used to be a 6-speed transmission, a manual transmission. Now we're going with automatic, so I gotta get rid of all that stuff and then plug the the line that goes to the clutch system. That's all for right now as far as this LS Swap Genesis. Where, like I said, I'm gonna make that video for the trigger wheel. I think that's important if it works. I'm not certain that it's gonna work, but I've been doing a lot of research, and I'm pretty positive that it's gonna work. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully this thing will be in by then, and I can run my Holley Terminator system and all that. All right, guys, bye.